Check that out. Da, da, da. It said it was coming on between the 9th and the 12th, but it got here this afternoon. I'm so excited. So let's get into it, shall we? Heidi-ho, kidlets. My bulk box is here. It was supposed to arrive on between the 9th and the 12th, and it arrived today. And to be honest, I don't know what the date is today, but I don't think it's the 9th. But anyway, I'm very excited, and I've cracked it open, but I have not looked inside. So we're going to do that together, and in about 37 seconds I'm going to be blistering hot with this fire behind me, so let's try to just get it done. So whoops, here are all my goodies, and you can see they're literally just thrown into the box. And I'm sorry for the angle here, but the box is heavy and I just didn't know where to put it so that I'd be able to show you the items and you know, do all of that. So hopefully this is a box where I can make my $60 back, because I paid $60. The box was actually $30, and then it was $30 to ship it. And according to the manifest, it is mostly household items, returns. So some of them may not work. Unchecked returns or something. So that means that it just got returned to wherever, Amazon or whatever, and they didn't check it. So, you know, to see whether it actually didn't work or the people were dumb. So let's take a look and see what we have. Let's just dig on in here. The first thing I see is some sort of, this is a Target item. It looks like it's a, oh, yeah, it tells you it's one of the foaming soap things. Oh, yep, there we go. My back's burning up. Well, we're just going to suffer through for the first few items because we're in the excited. It says soap dispenser. And I guess, I don't know what you put here, but it gives you the recipe on there. You put your soap and then you fill this much with water, and then it'll give you the foaming soap, and it seems to depress. So that's item one. This is something that I saw in the picture on Bulq, which is this little cake stand, which actually might keep for myself. This is from the dollar section in Target, so this was originally $5, and the reason it ended up here is it's got some muss on the front, which probably looks surface and will probably buff right out. We might use that as a prop for our displays. Oops, I'm like knocking down tables. And excuse me, but we have to turn this fireplace off now because it's like 4,000 degrees. Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good. I have a mysterious, oh yeah, that doesn't sound good at all. It says stemless wine set. Stemless wine glass set, and that sounds definitely broken. So let's see how many we have that are whole pieces. Oh, okay. So it's a set of 6, and we have 5, and number 6 looks like this. I don't know if they should be putting broken glass items in things that have, I mean, that has holes in it that could conceivably come out. That doesn't seem all that safe. We also have, this is also, so far everything Target, some white plates, glass dinner plates, set of 6. And, you know, they say if you're, you know, especially if you're going to be photographing your food, that food should always be served on white plate because it looks more appetizing and appealing. And then if you're taking a photo of it, definitely, because colors do wacky things to your food. Here's a threshold placemat. So far 1. Make 7 eggs, any style, everyday egg cooker. It needs 7 eggs precisely. Maybe a dozen eggs, maybe 2 eggs. Somebody actually needs 7 eggs. It said, that's weird. Okay, so it says quick breakfast, save time and make 7 perfectly cooked eggs in less time than boiling water. Beyond Boiled also makes omelets, poached, and soft boiled eggs, included with the accessories. We're not going to open up that now. The box is all jibbity jabbity. Oh, that's nice. We can always use some Ziploc bags. Do I get a manifest in here? There's one online that I can download, but I wondered if it came with, because there was a box that I was looking at that was like really a lot of Ziplocs. And I was like, well, somebody is getting their, yearly Ziploc quota done. Here's some OXO Softworks corn holders, but one missing. So you have to, have your corn dog corn there with your one. Oh, this is cute. A little Sip by Swell water bottle. I do believe I saw this on the manifest. Yeah, I can't see anything wrong with it. Oh, it has a little divot right there. That is perfectly fine. We will be listing that. Rezip leak-proof reusable storage. Don't know if we're going to keep that. Those are good things to have. I don't know. There was definitely some things on this manifest that I knew I was going to be keeping for myself. I don't remember what they are now. Ooh, I got a baking sheet. Definitely keeping that. I have been wanting one of those. Baking sheet, Nordic Wear baking sheet. Oh, it feels like somebody used it. We're gonna open this one up. Oh. What the heck? Oh, I guess it's just like some of the powder that they put on it, but yeah, I thought somebody had used it and it was flour. It smells weird. Not bad, but weird. It smells sort of like candy. Maybe somebody did use it. Well, I'm going to be using it now, so that's the thing. That is mine. Oh, and it's left some sort of funky residue on my hands. Let's see. Unscented medium trash bags. Actually, that's a good thing. I was actually going to go get trash bags. Oh! Okay, there's some things caught in here that I can't get out. Let's see, some Threshold. Oh, it's napkins. Oh, these are the large napkins, 4-pack. There seem to be 4 in here. Nice neutral color. I don't do neutral, so definitely be selling those. Oh, Brita water filters, mine. Wow, that's jacked. Some ball leak-proof lids. Oh, okay, so the packaging is crap, but the lids are there. Oh, they look like the lids that you get off of the Talenti ice cream thing. Wonder if those work as well. What in the world is this? This is giant, and it says Brita Stream, and I don't know what that is. Oh, fancy. The only pitcher that filters as you pour. Oh, okay. So it's a Brita Stream. I might be exchanging my Brita pitcher for this one. I think there's another one in there too, if I saw correctly. Oh, roasting pan, Farberware. I haven't been keeping count. Have you been keeping count how many things I pulled out of this box? Count now. Oh, well, this is just thrown in there, a plate. This is Threshold Target. And they put all these like little labels on everything, apparently. I guess they don't want you running in there to return it. It was clearance, $1.96. And apparently it was lonely, and so they put it in this bag of stuff. Damaged bag, a box of sandwich bags. We are good on Ziplocs for a while. Oh, I think I found the spoon. Yep. So I have a full set to this guy down here. So y'all know any minimalists that just need one set of silverware, tell them to hit me up. Here is a pure filter. Is it the, oh, it's the one that goes on your faucet. Huh. Yeah, this is very tempting. I use the Brita system now, and yeah, that would be nice. Oh, is this the same? Yeah, this is the same silverware. It's just bagged up. So I have 3 of the large spoons, 3 knives, three salad forks, and oh, so I actually have a full set. I have a set of 4. Okay. Oh, there was a box in here that just came with nothing, and I bet that's how it came. It came with the flatware, this, like this, and then the bag stuff behind it. Using the noggin. Oh, this looks interesting. Silicone mold. Oh, I did see this in the manifest in the picture. It's a silicone mold for, oh, I guess these little birthday hat cupcakes. I don't know. Looks sort of like a really, really non-torturous bed of nails. Okay, got everything. Oh, yeah, I knew these were coming. Christmas cookie cutters. So I have 4 big boxes in here left. This one is the Brita. This is the one I have, I think. And it's a good, it's a good thing that there's another one, because mine, the lid doesn't work. And everybody, I'm the only one that I forget all the time that the lid doesn't work, because I'm just so used to it. And whenever anybody tries to pour water, like the lid goes flying off and water goes everywhere. So I probably do need a new one. Okay, this is an Oster something or other. An Oster My Blend. Spa Cup personal blender. Okay, we're going to look into these and make sure everything is as it says it is, because I have heard stories that people order things and then return them and put like socks or something in the box so they can try to get away with something. Let's see. Gooseneck water kettle. Ooh, can you put that on the stove? Ooh, and it's a Bodum. Let's see. Because some of them, they give you all nice and then tell you you're supposed to put the boiling water in there. I was like, well, it's a kettle. I'm supposed to put it on the stove or plug it in. I don't want to have to like boil something and then put more the water into something else. Not having tea service with the queen. Let's see. 2-bowl cook set by Stanley. That looks like a campery sort of a thing. Or again, another minimalist thing. I can see people would definitely be wanting that, so we're going to list that on eBay. And then, oh, we have some more spoons. I thought we got all the spoons. More spoons. And then a thermos. Let's see. Oh, so I actually got one of these at the Goodwill for, I think, like $2.99, and I think I sold it for, I think I had it listed for $25 and sold it for $20 or something like that. I may have sold it for $15, but it was the small one. So yeah, that's nice. Oh, it says something about the. Does this? Wait, is it missing a piece? Because like, look here. It says it's got the lid, and then this looks detached. and then there's the thermos. And it says it's our stopper never stops. Is this part of the stopper? I don't know. It seems pretty tight. Well, we're going to go fill it with water and see if it leaks, because apparently that was the stopper. So that is all of our goodies. Yeah, and I think they didn't give me, I thought I'd get a paper manifest, but it's okay that I didn't, because there's one that when you order, you can download it. So it's probably still there, or they emailed it to me if I'm remembering correctly. And I definitely think I got enough stuff to make my money back. And we're going to open things up and make sure they're what they say they are on the box. And then we're going to start listing these tonight. So, okay, I looked in all the boxes. Everything is pretty much exactly what it said it was supposed to be on the box. The only misleading thing was this Pure, which looks like it's to be the whole water filter system, because it says it's the chrome finish faucet filtration system. I thought it was the whole filtration system. I'll look on the box and read what's supposed to be in it, but what actually is in it is the used Pure water filter. So that will be, we'll just chuck this right now. And it's the only box that came intact completely. So we'll be using the box for shipping at some point. So not a complete loss. And on counting, I got 28 items for $60. So that's about a little more than $2 per. Or slightly more if you want to count that I can't use this. And just as a side note, I wasn't reading, or maybe it does. It says this Bodum kettle is actually an electric kettle. I have I've sorted everything, what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to sell, and I am going to sell the Brita Stream, partially because there's a new. This Brita is similar to what I'm using right now, and it takes the same filter. And if you recall, I got a filter, and you can see I ripped into that like I was a rabid dog, like there was candy and money inside. I don't know why I ripped that open. Oh, yeah, because I guess I was like this, since this is the used filter, I was wondering if this was a used filter, and it's all sealed in the plastic. So we're just going to exchange our flappy lid Brita for this Brita. So that is for us. We are keeping all of the trash bags and the silicone mat, and everything else is up for grabs. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Bing! And I invite you to subscribe. As always, you're welcome to subscribe if you want. You do not have to. I'm not going to come to your house and force you. And if you really like this video, go ahead and put a ring on it by clicking the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I have a new video. And until the next time, toodles.